Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel Proficiency, where you get to know about all the common mistakes that we all do related to pronunciation, vocabulary, spellings, grammar, etc. while using a language, be it in Hindi or in English. Isn't that great? Because once you get to know about all those common mistakes and start practicing the correct form, we become proficient in that field. So the content which I am going to present today in this video is related to singular and plural noun. So I'll tell you about some nouns which are always plural. That means they do not have a singular form. And that's so because they are made up of two connected parts which cannot be separated. Those connected parts together function as a unitary object or as a single object. So for the ease of convenience, I have divided them in categories. So the first category includes tools. So in tools category, you have scissors, pliers, tweezers, forceps, tongs. All these tools are made up of two connected parts. You cannot separate their parts to make them function as that particular tools. That for example, like in scissors are made up of two blades. These two blades together function as scissors. You cannot separate the two blades to make them function as scissors. That's why they are always used as plural forms. They do not have singular form. Next category includes clothings. In clothings, we have shorts, pajamas, trousers, socks, shoes, gloves, mittens, jeans, leggings, jeggings, and so many. Next category includes accessories. In accessories, we have spectacles, goggles, sunglasses, headphones, binoculars. All these comes in sets of two. You cannot separate them to make them function as that particular object. Spectacles have two glasses for both your eyes. You cannot use a single glass to function as spectacles, to make it function as spectacles. So they are always plural. And when you have to use these plural nouns in sentences, you will always take plural verbs with them. That means trousers are, scissors are. Like my scissors are sharp, your scissors are blunt. My trousers are fit to size, your trousers are loose. But when you are using the phrase a pair of just before this plural noun, like a pair of scissors, that time you will use singular verb. A pair of scissors is sharp. A pair of scissors, not are, that will be wrong. A pair of scissors has been bought from the market. Has is singular verb. A pair of trousers has been bought from the market. So when you are using a pair of, that time the same plural noun will take the singular verb. Now when you are using more than one pair of, that is two pairs of, three pairs of, five pairs of, before these plural nouns, that time again they will take plural verbs. That is two pairs of scissors have been bought from the market. 10 pairs of trousers have been bought from the market. So this much only for today. Do practice them and do wait for my next video in which I will tell you about some nouns which are always singular. That means they will not have the plural forms. Completely opposite of what you have learned today in this video. Thank you and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.